Technology is powerful, but only if you control it.
You have seen the symptoms. A lot of people are facing this kind of issues in their daily life. Because of digital well-being is required. Let's understand all these things are happening. People are getting depressed. They are not doing anything, just playing on the phone, just scrolling here and there, and they are very moody. They feel very depressed. They are attached to their phone while they are studying. They've been using their mobile phone. So let's understand that digital overload. 7 simple steps to be followed now. Let's understand them in detail. Step 1.
First, understand how much time you spend online. Check your screen time or digital well-being stats. Note the top 3 most used apps. For example, I use Instagram 3 step to change. Step 1. Awareness. Before anything changes, you must know your usage. Check your screen time or digital well-being stats. Have 3 apps you spend the most time on. That moment is the beginning of change.
Hi, let's explore digital well-being to manage your screen time. First, open the app. Tap screen time to see your daily usage. Then set a timer to limit your usage. That's it. Now balance your digital life. Hi.
Don't remove technology, just learn to control it. Set app time limits. Let your phone remind you when enough is enough. During study or work, keep your phone out of reach. Focus builds success. One hour before sleep, keep the phone away. Your brain needs rest to reset. Turn off unnecessary notifications. Not every ping deserves your attention. Your boundaries shape your well-being. Choose wisely. Empty time leads to relapse. Don't remove habits, replace them smartly. The old habit pulls you down, but you can choose to replace it. Nurture the new and watch it grow. You are transforming step by step.
Step 4. Now build digital hygiene. Just like your personal hygiene, you need to have a digital hygiene habit. Remove extra application which is of no usage and it doesn't add anything to your life. Just remove them from your phone. Remember, extra emails, lot of unnecessary emails in your inbox that will also make you feel noisy. Remove all those emails. Keep your phone on silent mode while you are focusing on something. Clear all the inbox and outbox. And start reading books. This will help you to stay focused again. Reading books will also enhance your knowledge. Clear phone, clear mind. Create tech-free spaces and time. Technology should support your life, not capture it. Text-free morning. First 60 minutes offline. Do not use your mobile phone while you wake up. Remember, your morning should be brighter, not on the mobile. While you're having a food, it's up to you. You're not supposed to use your mobile phone. Not for the kids also. Kids also has to keep mobile aside. While sleeping, before you need to understand, do not use mobile phone at least for an hour. Tech-free bedroom. Keep your phone outside of your room.
B, it's real.
Totally.
You should do this more.
Yeah. I feel so peaceful here by the water.
This book really helps me focus.
This is the best day. I'm so happy.
Really value our conversations. Why am I opening my phone? This is mindful checking. Reward yourself on low screen time days. Your phone is a tool, not your boss.
Your phone is training your mind. You need to ensure that you are not using it too much. Take back your control.
Your digital life shrinks when your real life expands. Build a balanced life. Move your body. Calm your mind. Spend time with people who matter. Learn something new. A fulfilled life doesn't need a screen to feel alive. Technology was created to serve you, not to control your life. So take your control back by creating fixes and times. Keep your bedroom phone free. Take a half-day digital detox. Sleep better. Live better. You followed the steps, and now comes the transformation. You'll feel a sharper focus, a calmer mind, and a productive day that actually feels good. Your sleep improves, your mental health strengthens. This is your new peaceful life. 3. Replace, not remove. 4. Build digital writing equals 7. Better life.